3, 2, 1.
Hey AussieDoodle fans, we have Annie and Jackpot's litter today. We're coming on 6 weeks old, so I know you all have been going through your puppy camp withdrawals, so don't worry though, got lots of action for you tonight. Oh, is that right? So everybody just got up from their nap. They were sleeping. We should have started this video when they were all calm. But we're not. Everybody's wound up now. So they're in this box. It's about double the size of the whelping box. And as you can see, we're trying to get them litter trained. They're doing pretty good. We're still changing out blankets every day, but we're working on it. So we can go through everybody here. Here's Kinsley. Hi, Kinley. Huh? You're so quiet now. You just want picked up in love? You just want picked up in love? So we got our vet appointment for, thank you for the kisses, for next Tuesday at Independent Vet, where we'll get our vaccinations and we'll get our fecals done. Who else we got? There's Kinsley. Oh, you were sassing. Who is this? This is Asker. Asker's sassing. Oh my gosh, you got a big belly. Everybody got fed today. Huh? The copper's really coming out. Saw Jackpot today. He's awesome as usual. Let me tell you what, he is just, I was never really around a poodle until I was really around Jackpot quite a bit. And he's the coolest dog. I'm so lucky that he is like right in our back door. So, who is this? Red collar, this is Victoria. She's staying in Texas. There's Miss Mocha. Here's Miss Mocha. She's going to Massachusetts. Huh? Yes, who's still the little girl? Oh. Puppy kisses. Kinsley. This is Twix. He's got that big black back. Everybody's starting to get curly. Yes, everybody's starting to get curly. Oh my goodness. Why are you so yappy? Who else we got here? Blue collar is, I think it's Scarlet. Yeah, Scarlet is the blue collar. She reminds me of Annie with that big black patch over her eye. And here's Dash. He's the lover of the bunch, huh? Yes, you're the quiet lover, huh? He's a Cowboys fan. Oh my gosh, you're getting so big. That's Twix. Oh, is everybody quieting down? Oh. This has got to be Trip. Yep. He is such a chunk. He's like a big teddy bear. Oh my goodness. Whoop. Oh God. What is that? White, purple. Oh, that's Dash. That's Victoria. Mocha. Trip. Scarlet. Oscar. We'll do through Oscar. There you go. Oh, there's Eddie. There's Eddie. Eddie's pretty chill too. That's Twix, I think. Nope, we didn't get everybody. There's Alan. He's kind of chill too. You're kind of the chill one of the bunch. Mocha. Victoria. I think we got everybody.
We're going to do some video outside this week, but it's been raining, and it's supposed to rain a bunch more this week.
Yeah, we're getting a lot of rain here in Texas, about 6 inches of rain this week. So, all right, everybody's doing good. Kinsley, Trip, Victoria, Scarlet. I think we got everybody. So, everybody's getting their curly doodle. Doodle, doodle, doodle. Doodle, 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 doodle. Uh-oh, where'd the skunk go? There it is. There's the skunk. Oh, I got everybody. everybody's attention now, huh? All right, everybody. We'll see you guys next week.
They're not always noisy.